was an overlooking place. Manood naman kayo sa aking video, guys. It was a big help for me if you're going to watch my video until the end para ma-complete ko yung watch hours ko, guys. Para ma-earnings na tayo at ma-set up na natin ang ating YouTube channel. Para ma-set up natin ang ating earnings. So, kung hindi pa ako na-monetize, so you can help me by watching my previous video, present video, or whatsoever, guys. You can choose what you want to watch my video here in my channel. So, ayun siya, guys. Ako lang nag-iisa dito. Hindi ako nakasama. Ang ganda talaga. Masarap naman talaga mag-inom sa isang pamilya, guys. So, So, yun lang, guys. And thank you for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye-bye, everyone.